Friday 4 o'clock, the candles all went dark. Closed my last position, now there's nothing on the charts. Everybody's headed down a dirt road, cooler in the bed. I'm sitting on the porch with the dime stuck in my head. They're chasing Friday night neon lights, man, I'm chasing the bell. 2 days of quiet is a special kind of hell. We'll be back on Monday, back on Monday. Weekends move too slow and the tape don't play. No chicks, no feels, no P&L. 48 hours stuck in sideways hell. Hate the weekend, love the grind. Sunday can't come soon enough. This time we'll be back on Monday, back on Monday, back on Monday. Saturday I'm journaling trays I already took. Back testing setups, reading my playbook. Wife says you're obsessing, yeah, she's probably right. But discipline don't take a day off, it just waits for the light. Black shirt in the closet like a jersey on the wall. 2 more sleeps till the opening call. We'll be back on Monday, back on Monday. Weekends move too slow and the tape don't play. No ticks, no feels, no P&L. 48 hours stuck in sideways hell. Hate the weekend, love the grind. Sunday can't come soon enough. This time we'll be back on Monday, back on Monday, back on Monday. Yeah. Sunday 6 o'clock, futures open up the door. Crack a cold one, watch them glow. Bakes, candles glow. Alarm set early, plan rolled out, clean rested. Hungry, dangerous, you know what I mean. Well,